Hi everyone, welcome to Make It Monday, where we embrace imperfection and learn new things. My name is Leslie and I'm the Reading Machine and Stream Coordinator for Monterey County Free Libraries. And it's National Library Week, so to celebrate, I'm going to be making a bookmark today, and I hope you will join me. In order to make this project, you will just need a few supplies. You will need a thick sheet of paper. If you've got one, I'm using cardstock. You'll need a ruler. I've got a really long fancy one here, but you don't need one this fancy. You'll need a hole punch, a pencil, pair of scissors, a piece of ribbon of some sort, or maybe, some ribbon, or maybe a piece of yarn or something like that. And something to decorate with. I've got some stickers, but you can also use, crayons, markers, whatever you have to decorate with. So grab those supplies and let's get started. To start this project, I am going to measure how big I want my bookmark to be. And normally bookmarks are pretty slim. You don't want them to be too thick really, but mine, because my stickers are kind of thick, they're this thick, I'm going to make my bookmark a little thicker so that my stickers will fit in there very well. So in order to do that, I am going to measure I'm just going to guess it's going to be about 2 inches from over here. Let's see. Yeah, that'll fit in there. So I'm just going to have this as my spot where I'm going to cut, and then I'm going to use my ruler to make a straight line down here so that my bookmark will be nice and straight. So here we go. I'm going to do that. And there I have my line for my bookmark. After that, I'm going to use my scissors to cut it out along the line. See, I have a nice bookmark here. I mean, you could even stop here and be like, hey, this is my bookmark. But I want to make mine a little more fun, so we're going to do that. I really like bookmarks that have like a ribbon at the top, because it will hang out of the book and it just kind of looks cool. But I don't really have any fancy ribbon. I just have this cord right here. So this is what I'm going to use, but whatever. I still think it'll look good. So what I need to do is use my hole punch to make a hole at the top of my bookmark. And I'll make it here in the center, or as close to the center as I can get. Punch it out, and then I have a spot to tie in my ribbon. I don't know exactly yet how I'm gonna tie it, if I'm gonna use a bow. I think I'll experiment and see what looks best. Maybe, so I've got this about half and half here. It's kind of long, so let me see what it's like if it's in a bow. I mean, that's okay, but I don't think I like that too much. So I'm going to try something else. I think I'm going to leave it kind of simple. I'm going to untie my bow, and then I'm going to make this into a double knot up here. And then, because this is pretty long, it's a little long for a bookmark, I'm going to cut this piece of cord so that it's shorter. And now I have this, okay? Now I have my bookmark made with my cord, and I'm just going to decorate now. So I have these really awesome stickers that my friend gave to me, and I'm going to use them to make my bookmark look even more awesome than it already does. And the cool thing about these stickers is that they're reading related stickers. So this one says reading colors your world. I'm going to put this one right here under this box of crayons. And then I'm going to put some more crayons on here. And see? Got that. And now I'm going to add the rest to the other side. And my bookmark's going to look so cool when I'm done. Just like that. So super easy. And because I have a little bit of space here on the bottom, I'm going to cut it off because that way there won't be this blank space on my bookmark. So I'm just kind of going to mirror like how it is at the top. There's a little bit of space up here that's white. So I'm going to leave a little space down here, but cut off the rest. So I'm just going to eyeball it. And then I will use my ruler again to make a straight line so that I can then cut off the little bit of white. See? Now that's personal preference. You do not have to do that. I just did that because I wanted to. Okay, my friends, that is how we make a bookmark. Really simple and fun with supplies you can find around your house. And look, I've just got a really adorable bookmark to celebrate National Library Week. And while I'm on the subject of that, thank you so much for all your support. We love all of you who invest your time and energy into the library, and we love being able to serve you. So happy National Library Week. We hope that you will spend some time with us this week, whether it's requesting books, you know, coming to curbside service, or watching one of our videos. We're just so happy to have you in our lives. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.